Hello, today we're going to make a seasoned pickled radish. This dish is very simple to make, just with a few ingredients, mainly pickled daikon radish and green onion. It tastes refreshing and is great with ramyun, so let's get started. Chop the green onion into small pieces and set aside. You can use jjokpa or substitute green onion for that, or leave them out if you don't like them. With pickled radish, cut into small pieces. You can cut them in half or in strips. Next, make the seasoning. Combine the minced garlic, chili powder, and sesame oil in a bowl and mix well. You can adjust the amount of chili powder to your liking. I used about 1 tablespoon. Once the seasonings are well mixed, add pickled radishes and green onions and toss to combine. The color will change nicely when the pickled radishes are well coated with the spices. When the meal is ready, add the whole sesame seeds and toss once more. The sesame seeds add more flavor and texture, and the green onions add freshness. You're ready to serve this seasoned pickled radish with noodles. It's quick and easy to make and will last for days in the fridge. It's a great side dish for vegans and anyone who loves pickled daikon radish. Give it a try. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching today.